Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay with Apple Pay on Walmart app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So the process for it is quite simple. I'm going to be showing it here on my laptop. You can also do it in your app. It's gonna be quite the same. I'm just gonna doing in my browser. So for that, we're just gonna go to our cart section, or if you don't have anything in your cart, go ahead, add it. Now simply continue to check out, right? And Apple Pay is something that is most of the shop and the digital shopping places all have availability as one of the payment method. So I'm going to be going adding my information. I'm going to be adding my address. I'm going to be checking out the item detail, and then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead tap on this option of right. I'm gonna set it as well, and then I'm gonna go to the option of payment, right? Then here in the payment method section, all you gotta be doing is simply choose the Apple Pay as one of the payment method, and go ahead, choose your card, confirm the payment, add in the money, and you're good to go. That's how you will be able to pay. The only difficulty you will get with Apple Pay on Walmart to pay is that whether the place that you're shopping for doesn't allow it. So make sure that you do, and you're good to go. So that's how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.